Close your eyes, Zara. Don't open them. I have something for you. Okay, now open. What is that?
Hatchimal.
Wow. Wow. What are you doing, sweetie?
I'm jumping and I love Hatchimal.
Do you want to unbox it?
Yeah.
Let's open it. What are you guys doing?
Yeah, opening it.
Wow.
What is it? A
Let's see.
Hatchimal.
You wanted that one?
Yeah.
Right.
What is wrong with this?
Whoops, it popped.
Got this out. There's something inside. And there's this eggs.
Can we open it?
Sure. You can open it.
Rahim, idhar karke karo, please. It's really hard to open.
Well, do karate chop.
Oh my god, karate chop.
Whoa!
Let's chop. It's still not open.
Oh.
Let's try another way.
Well,
So it came with this paper flyer which says Hatchimal collectible, and we have to see which collectible we got. Let's see. Rahim is opening it. He's able to open it. Wow! What did we get inside? What is that? Can you show me, please? What is it? Do you know the name?
let's see. What is this called?
So we got Radiant Deer Alu, and here it is. Now we'll open the other one. Where did it go?
He has. It's right here.
Okay, what happened?
Something's broken.
Something's coming out.
Yeah. What is it?
Aww, what's that? We got another Hatchimal. What's the name of this one? Let's see. Okay, guys, you have to help us. Which one is this? Can you show me, Rahim? Show me this one. Which one did you get? Okay, let's find it. Let's see. Can you spot which one it is?
I don't know.
Rahim found it. Which one, Rahim?
This one.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Look.
Can I see it again?
See?
Armadillo cake? Oh, okay. Yeah, that is armadillo cake.
Armadillo
Wow,
cake.
guys. So let me show you these. So this is armadillo cake. This is deer alu. And we've got 2 Hatchimals, and we'll get more, and then we'll hatch those Hatchimals in front of you.
And
Thank
I
you.
have a